Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox my September Birchbox, and if you're curious to see what I got, then keep on watching. I think I'm going to cancel my Birchbox subscriptions because honestly at this point I feel like I have a whole collection of sample size shampoos, body lotion, hand creams, and I feel like I get the same products over and over again, and I want makeup. I really want makeup, so I'm not gonna cancel this like today immediately. I'm going to keep this till the end of this year. Until then I still have a little bit of time to think if I really want to keep this going or I want to cancel this. But honestly I don't enjoy Birchbox anymore. I feel like they keep repeating with the same products. And yeah, at this point I honestly can tell you that I do have like a mini collection of mini shampoos and, as I said, body lotion, hand creams. Anyway, and also I don't know what to do with these many boxes because I don't throw them away. I keep them because I do use them. But in this case I will have to throw away the lid because I don't know how I'm going to use this. So yeah, this is how the box looks like this month, and it's very pretty. It says love like the 70s. So cute. And yeah, let's see what we have inside. So I see something from FujiFilm. Oh, coupon code. Tu vida es imagen, imprímela. myFUJIFILM and Birchbox offers you a 45 discount code. You have to enter the code. So this will be available till October 31st. So if you want to use this, I'm going to let it down below because I'm not gonna use it. So this is cute, 45%. That's a lot. So yeah, let's move on. Then we have the pamphlet. How is this called? Like the info card. Oh my god, pamphlet, really? You are the dancing queen. And I think this is the theme for this month. And yeah, let's dig in because I am curious. I think I'm going to start with this one. This is by the brand Humankind, and it says 3-in-1 foot, elbow and foot cream with grapefruit, and it says formulated with shea and cocoa seed butter, suitable for sensitive skin. So yeah, this is 3-in-1, so you can use this on your hands, on your foot, on your elbow. So let's see how this smells. 5 years later, 10 years later, I can do this. Oh, this smells so good. Smells nice. So yeah, we have a hand cream, foot cream, elbow cream. Let's see how this is. This retails for €7.95, and it says all natural, like 95% natural. It says no animal testing, vegan, ethically sourced and paraben free. So interesting, I would say. Alright, next we have this cute little bottle. This is by the brand Hello Nature or CC of Sweden. I don't know. This is a hair conditioner, and it says with 100% certified bio cannabis oil. Wow. 94.5 ingredients of natural origin, and it says with caffeine, something I cannot pronounce, and panthenol. So yeah, this is a hair conditioner, and let's smell this because I'm curious. Oh, this smells so nice. Let's try this. It smells nice. It smells like lemongrass, something fresh. I like it. So yeah, I haven't tried anything with cannabis before. I'm excited to try this one. I'm not a fan of hair conditioner. I'm more like a mask girl. But yeah, this is interesting, and this is only €4.90. And the bottle here looks pretty big. Alright, let's see next. This cute little bottle. This is by the brand Naobay, and it says primer eye contour fluid. and it's so tiny. So it says that this will give you like a fresh sensation for your under eyes and also will activate the microcirculation. I don't even know what that is. And also reduce the puffiness. So yeah, sounds very interesting. This retails for 19 euros and 95 cents, and actually I do really love this brand. It's made in Spain and is 99%, something like that, natural and organic. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. Let me smell it first. Oh, so it's like a roll-on, super tiny. Not much is coming off. Smells like nothing. This is already absorbed into my skin and it doesn't feel sticky. It feels like nothing, and also it doesn't have a scent. And yeah, this looks very interesting. I'm excited to try this one. Like under eye primer. What? Okay, so we have only 2 more products and I'm going to go with this. This is by the brand Lise Watier and it says Hydraforce BB. And it says Hydra Protective Tinted Veil, and it says neutral, maybe is natural, I don't know. So it says for all skin types, and I think this is in the shade natural. I think that neutral means. So it says tinted veil, apply every morning on cleansed skin. So yeah, let's see. So this is like a BB cream. Yeah, look at that. Has a little bit of coverage, but yeah, it feels like a tinted moisturizer, like a BB cream, and it smells nice. I like the scent. So this retails, not this one, the full size, retails for 28 euros and 85 cents. So this is supposed to even out your skin tone and also will give you like a healthy natural glow, and you can use this alone or under your makeup, and yeah, this is cute. And last but not least, we have mascara all-in-one. This is by the brand Hot Makeup 100% Happiness, and yeah, it's a mascara, pretty small. Wow, this is not a sample size, this is the full size product and retails for 6 euros and 55 cents. And yeah, it's all-in-one mascara. Let's see the wand. Yeah, I can give this a try, but I'm not a fan of this wand. This is pretty small to be a full-size product, but whatever. Alright guys, so this was my September Birchbox. I'm super excited, honestly, I'm super excited to try the under eye primer because that sounds amazing. And also this hair conditioner with Cannabis, because Cannabis. But yeah, as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm not excited anymore about Birchbox because yeah, they keep repeating the same products over and over again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. Mwah. I do have hair extensions on. I didn't grow up my hair this long overnight, obviously. Even though I love long hair, I wasn't blessed. So I was super curious to see if my hair color matches the extension color, and oh my god, I am impressed because they fit like a glove. And yeah, like they are the same color, so be prepared to see me more rocking these extensions because I do love long hair. But as I said, I wasn't blessed. I wanna cry now. No, I'm just kidding. Also on my eyes, I'm wearing the Vault collection, but as I said, I'm not gonna reach for the matte shades because they are bad, but the shimmery ones are so pretty. And that's it. I feel like I'm rambling too much, and yeah, bye. Oh, camera, why? Until then, I Steve. Why do I keep saying Steve? Until then, I Steve. Oh my god, who is this Steve? Until then, I Steve. Wow, who is this Steve? Can I talk?